We're outside Easley, South Carolina, just a little south of Easley. So this is what's the storm of 2018 for our area got. Just slush. Just heavy, wet slush. There's only about not even an inch or so on the vehicle. Well, the drift over here, but about an inch or so, inch and a half. It's just slush, heavy stuff. Now it's just raining. One person almost got stuck on top of the hill. We'll see if any other geniuses decide to take their two-wheel drive cars up here. Yeah, it's just heavy rain right now. Whew. I don't have a snow shovel. All I have is my little 10-inch dirt shovel. So I use that to clear a little path to the car. Yeah, that's about it though. That's all we got. We were expecting a lot more. We thought the power was going to go out last night. That's what they were saying. Nope, that's it. That's all we got. Alright, I'm just going to keep this video short. There's no reason for a long video on this one. But that's all we got. I was hoping somebody would come up with a car while I was making this and get stuck. That'd be funny. Thought I'd never see snow again. That's why I moved down here. Alright, I hear you, train. Yep, that's about it. I mean, like I said, it's just slushy snow. Now it's raining. It's supposed to stop by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock this afternoon. And the ground's still warm, so I don't think it's going to stick around much longer. The road should be clear by late tonight, tomorrow morning, or probably tomorrow afternoon. Don't have salt trucks and plow trucks down here like we did back in New York. But alright, I'll keep it about 3 minutes long this video, so there you go. Blizzard of 2018 for South Carolina. Alright.